Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 13 Subject Insert Area Code in Database 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12, my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service 919941599815. This is a anytime contact 24 into service every day is available. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run. This is a localhost PHP. My admin inside this available subject table, and this is a table inside. This is a 3 field is available, and only 2 field is working. This name and description in this is inside, and this is a by default is a create automatically in database. And this my project is available in this is a folder is a inside this available gem directory, inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already run. Let's subject inside. First of all, this is a new button is a implementation. Inside this new button is a implementation. This is a list file is open. Resource view super admin subject. Inside this is a index. This is a index means this is a list file. This is a list id name description. This is id name and description. This is list file. Inside this is already button available. Otherwise not, so please write down this button. Successfully this is a subject button is a implementation. Good working this subject button. Let's refresh this page, and this is a successfully implement. Same name, copy this subject, copy and paste here, save file, successfully working fine. Let's refresh this page and click this add subject, and same here copy this URL and working fine. This same URL is a working good. This is the same URL and this 404. Let's route web.php open. This is web.php open. Inside this is a new super admin is available. This is a middleware. Inside this is a new get route is a create route get and paste here, and this subject controller save the controller, and this is a class, and this is a add function is a create. This controller inside this add function is a create. Same name add, copy this and student controller open. This is a student controller. This is a student controller is available. This app http controller, and this is a student controller. This student controller, not a student or subject controller. This is a subject controller. Sorry, this subject controller open. Subject controller inside this is a new function is a create public function and paste here add. This same name is a add create. This student not a subject. This is a subject. Sorry, student not a subject. This is a subject controller. My mistaking. Let's inside this is a create. Successfully this function is a create. Echo and hello and die. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully working file. This is hello die. Good working. This is a hello is a working. Let's return view super admin dot subject. Sorry, subjects dot add. New file is a create add file. Subject folder is already out. So first of all, super admin. This is a super admin. This view super admin subject inside this file is not available. So let's new file is a create new file blade.php. Successfully create and cc and refresh this page and working fine. This is good working, all good. Save file. Let's step by step inside. This is a 2 field form is a implementation. This is a name and description. Let's first of all this is open. Inside this is the same name, copy and paste here, and section is a end section. Save file and refresh this page, working fine. This subject, click the subject, and this is a add and working fine, all good. Let's inside this is a form is a implementation. This is a submit form. First of all, this is a div is a start, to div is a create. This is a div, close this, and this is a close. This close and this close. Save file. Let's inside this is a one div. Again create. This is a create div, and successfully this is again div create, and this is a name is a s5. Class is a mb0. Add subject. And refresh this page. Page is a refresh. Successfully add subject is a working fine. All good. Let's new field is a implementation form. ID item form action method post. CSRF field successfully working fine. Let's div class mb3 row label class call md3 call from label name. Successfully label name. Inside this again same name is a div class call md9 input txt text name class form controller name is a implement placeholder ent enter name required. Successfully required. Let's refresh this page. First of all, this first field is a implementation. Let's refresh this page and working fine. This is a name is a working good. Next is the same here. Description is a implementation. This same name copy description. The same name copy description. Copy description. Text area. This is a name description. This is the same name is a description. Class and this same name all copy. This is a required and all copy same name. Cut and this remove and paste here class, and this is a description. All good. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this description and name and description is a implementation. Name and description working fine. This is a name and this is a description. Let's new button is a implementation submit button. This is a submit button is a create button, and this is a submit button. Please write down this submit button. All good. Let's refresh this page. Working fine this submit button. And this method is available. Method form method is a post method. This is a post method. The same URL web.php open, and this is the same copy and paste here. This is a add post method only post, and this is a store. Save file. This is a store. Let's same name copy post method and subject public function paste here store request $request dd $request all. Save file and refresh this page, and this name is a test name, and test description, and submit successfully. Name and description is a shared. This is a working fine. Name and description, and this is a name and description is a available. Good working. This name and description is a show. Let's step by step. This is a insert this table record. This is a table. Student subject table is a inside this insert. This table is available. Subject table same here. Copy this model in the inside the subject table is available. Same name copy inside this is already included. This is a included. Same name copy, and this is a comment. $save is equal to new, and paste here, and this $save is equal to trim $request. $save and save. This is a working fine. Let's inside this is the same name is a this is a name same name copy, and this is a request name, and this is description inside this description, and the same name is a name copy, and this is a description. All good. Let's redirect. This page is a return redirect. This back button, click this, and this is a page is a return redirect. Same name URL is a copy, paste here with success record successfully create, and save file. Successfully save file. The success message is available. This is a message file. This is a, please write down this message file. Inside this success message is available. This message underscore message file, and this is a file is a list file. List file inside this is a include underscore message file, and this message inside this is a show. Let's refresh this page. Name, subject name is a implementation, subject name is a science, and this is a name is a test science, and submit. Successfully working fine. This is all good. This is a storage record is a 3 number is a create record successfully create, and this message is 100% is a show. This is a good working. Let's refresh this page. This is a working fine. This is a 3 number is a working fine. Let's next is again this create English, and this is a test English. This is my spelling mistake is a implementation using subject working fine. This is a English and test English, and refresh this page. 100% is a 3 and 4 number is available. This is a date automatically name and create, and refresh this page. 100% is a return redirect. This message is a hide. First of all, this is a step by step this controller. This is a two function is a create. Inside this is model included. This is a but this file include. Inside this is a button include, and this is a add file is a step by step created. All implementation name and description all good. On any doubt, so please contact this number. Otherwise, this website is a anytime contact. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram, and Skype. I am always available. This is a YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.